All right, we gotta keep the chance up here. We want those Roombas to stay out of here. We're gonna live through the night. God damn! How did the Roombas get so high up? I'll never know. People. Oh, sweet Jesus! No! Terry.
Mitch. The air smells different. There's a change coming.
There's a Glade plug-in in here.
Holy shit.
We didn't plug in a gay plug-in.
We didn't plug in any gay plug-ins.
Oh my God. The robots are trying to make us gay.
Not me. Not me.
Sweet Jesus.
Turning gay for nobody.
What?
Candygram!
No, that sounds like bullshit.
No, it's not. No, seriously, it's just candy.
I don't think so, then.
What kind of candy is it?
Mike and Ike's.
No, bullshit. No one ever sells those.
Mike and Ike were gay.
Oh, God. I feel like lavender.
I meant lifesavers.
Oh, God. Kissing, you bastard.
Oh, God. Guys, I'm really hungry.
Oh, my God.
We've been in here for 3 days.
Whoa. Yes?
Ben & Jerry's ice cream!
They don't deliver. That sounds like a robot trick.
It's a new trick! I mean, it's a new treat!
That's it.
Fuck your bullshit, Roman!
I heard you say trick in your sentence.
I tricked you, it's really a treat!
God.
All right, look, we're not going to get out of here, guys. Maybe we should just be gay. We're not getting out of here, guys.
This is madness. I am not going to be turning gay.
I don't want to be gay.
I don't want it.
But I'm willing.
There's not a problem. It's just I don't have that preference. Oh, but it's so furry.
0, 0, 1, 0.
Get away, you bad robot. Oh, my God.
Oh, no.
What's this?